Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. Today we're going to run the Cozy F1 with an outboard and a Cozy F1 with an inboard setup. This one is from René, so we're going to tape them up and run them. Alright, there we go. Both running a 4S setup. Nice. They're very well matched. Oh! Oh! Crash. I'm flipped. Awesome. Oh, alright, we recovered the boats, replaced the Lipos. Time for round 2. Oh, no power anymore. The second run, the Cozy F1, suddenly stopped, and unfortunately the speed controller got burned. It smells really bad, and I have to take it out, get a new one. I suspect that the cause is the motor, because the motor was acting up and maybe it shorted and it caused the ESC to burn. This is a 60 amp Turnigy Marine ESC. It worked great for many years, but yeah, as I said, I think the motor is toast and it caused the speed controller to burn. The bolt is still intact. It didn't burn down, luckily. So yeah, it was great to run together with René's Cozy F1 with the inboard. They're pretty well matched, and it was just a blast to run some laps together. So yeah, really enjoyable.